A massive fire broke out in Noida at the Sector 18 Krishna Plaza. We are right now standing outside that particular building. As you can see the condition right now, the rescue operation has been completed and around 170 people has been rescued from this building. And it is also being said that, eyewitnesses has reported seeing people jumping from these windows to escape from this, massive fire. And as you can see, these broken glasses also telling the story how massive this fire was. And in fact, the fire tender reached to the spot. And as you can see now, also the work is being done. The inspection of this entire building is being done. The fire alarms sounded around 11 a.m. and people were evacuated from the building, and there were individuals who were trapped inside, and the fire tenders had rescued them. And also it is being said that around 8 people have been taken to the hospitals. Few of them are still serious, those who have got injuries and got suffocated. And even if you tell, there were videos that have showed that the eyewitnesses have told that the people were jumping out of these windows to save themselves as the fire was going upside. And it is also being told that the fire started with the ground floor and it has gone up from the multiple building. And this is a multi-layer building which is there at the Sector 18 Noida, and the broken glasses is still fallen here. As you can see, there were a lot of questions that is being raised because the safety measure norms are not being followed at most of these type of building. And this is a huge building, multi-layer building. As you can see, the entire area is being covered with this building. But yes, it is being said that the exit door were not open, and due to which the people got stuck. And also, as you can see, the stairs are also very narrow. So it was very difficult for the people also to come out of this building. And so now the question is, why is this, this type of, not proper norms are being taken by these type of buildings. And it is a multi-layer building where there are, shopping complex, the offices, and a lot of things are being there in this entire buildings. The thousands of people were present at that time, and in fact, some of them have started running from this building. But yes, as far as the rescue team is concerned, as you can see, the fire extinguisher has also been brought here, and there are these cranes are also brought here, and they have worked to rescue the people out of this Krishna Plaza where the fire broke out, the massive fire that broke out. The fire officer is also with us, and we will go across him very shortly, and would like to show the visuals also right now. Also, the fire officer team is also coming out, also taking inspection and what led to such massive fire, because the cause is still unknown what led to. But yes, you can see these pipes, the water pipes are also being taken out from this building now, as these were used to extinguish the fire, to douse the fire. And the fire was huge that even when the fire team reached on time, then also there are around 8 people who suffered injuries, who tried to jump out of this building, and those who have taken to the hospitals. Also, it is being said that one lady is in the critical condition. So this is a huge negligence, we can say, of the the plaza also, whether the security norms, as we can say, there were exit doors which were not open, and due to which the people were not were not able to come out of the building, and they got stuck in the building. Sir, also we have with us Pradeep Kumar, who is the fire officer. Sir, how the fire, what led to the fire in this building?
So there was an AC blast at the ground floor, so that causes the major fire, and the fire was extinguished within the 10 minutes. So we received at 11:48. We received the first call that in Sector 18, this Krishna Plaza has engulfed in the fire. So fire was at the only ground floor. Within 4 minutes, our 2 fire tenders reached. Total around here, the 8 fire tenders are there. Within a 7 minute, our first rescue tender also reaches. So we started a rescue from the 2 sides. One is from the ladder, one is from the staircase, one is from this hydraulic platforms. And total 170 person has been rescued. Up to this time, we haven't received any casualty.
So, is there any negligence or the safety norms have been followed by this building or not?
So inquiries has been set up for this, and we'll let you know once this has been completed. Thank you.
Thank you. So yes, there has been, the inquiry has been set up, which will let to know about the safety norms. But yes, as we can show the visuals also right now, also there has been an inspection that is being done, and it is said that there was a AC blast at the ground floor, which led to the massive fire, and which also spread to the entire building, and the massive fire broke out, which led to the massive fire. And also there were 170 people who were rescued, and also there are 8 people who are still in the hospital who is being treated right now. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Deepa for NewsX in Noida.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.